Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be planning in my Walmart Traveler's Notebook. It's by Pen and Gear, and I use a Dollar Tree insert on the inside. This dashboard is from Coco's Vision, and this is the insert. Let's take it out. And I think I'm about ready to retire this cover. I am starting to see signs of wear, and it's getting a little dirty, and I'm not sure that how I would clean this. It's got a few scratch marks on it. So even though I don't really take it away from my desk, it is wearing out. And I think I've been in this since October of last year, so I think it's time for a change. I'm gonna hate letting it go, but I think I might need to let it go for a little while so I don't completely wear it out. So where are we? Here we are. This is last week, and I'm gonna be moving on to this week. And I thought about this. I already had everything picked out that I wanted to do for this week, and then I heard about Representative John Lewis, and I decided I wanted to do something in memory of him. I mean, this is just a ridiculous planner situation, but I don't know, I just admired him. I just thought he was a really good person, and I liked how he fought for us. So even though I am really done with black and white probably for the rest of the year, I just couldn't do pink and florally stuff, not really, and feel like I was honoring him in the correct way. So we're not doing pink and florally today. We might have a few bows, but that's just because that's the kind of washi that I have. But we're doing the week of the 20th through the 26th, so this is the last full week of July. I'm always messing up my whiteout. So this washi tape is from Capital Chic Designs, and I'm going to run that across the top. Okay, so for the week, the days, I guess I'm gonna use this washi from Simply Gilded. I might add some interest and use the white version of this also. Let's see how that looks. I think I should stick with just the black. Okay, so, and I'm also going to be using these two sticker books from Target. Oh, I can't believe I didn't get any use out of this calendar section, these calendars, and we're already over halfway through the year. But I'm going to use these numbers from this one. This was the calendar book, again from Target. And what days did I say? The 20th through the 26th? Yes. So anyway, let's see if I can get the dates right this time. I'm going to be using this book for the letters. This is a very fussy book to use, but we're going to try and work through it. And I'm not sure this is going to work the way I want it. So I might have to drop it down here and do something different up there. Or could I drop that down? Let's see if I can. I hate to do this because it's going to pull up my whiteout. And it's wasting tape. But I didn't pull it up too bad. But let's see if I drop this down, will it be better? And then I'm not going to run it all the way to the edge. And then with my letters fit. They would fit better. Even if I drop this down a little bit more. I don't know if it's even appropriate to put a doll on here, but I do have one that I would like to use. Are those letters crooked? I'm gonna try and do this as straight as I can, but it is a bit challenging. Let's put out all faithful, colorful boxes. Okay, I think I did that pretty good. Let's see if I can make sure everything is gonna stick. I'm pretty sure I probably have to add a little glue stick underneath there, but I think I wanna put this down as well. Another one over here so that I can write in it as well. Let's see. It's not going to be as balanced, but I can live with that. Okay, so now that I've done that, I need to decide what metal I want. I don't know, silver seems appropriate to me. Okay, I'm gonna use some of these boxes. Okay, so I had this sticker that cut wrong from Juneteenth of last year. And I think I'm gonna use her. And then our color can be red. Hopefully I'll have some red boxes somewhere. So let's see if we can get this up. No, we cannot. So I think we can put her right there. And that will be good. Okay, now let me see if I have any red boxes. I don't think there's any red in here at all. It's all pinks and blues and yellows and greens. No red. So let me see what I have in. No, I don't want to use that one yet. Oh yeah, I dropped this book the other day and it fell apart on me, so yeah. Let's do a smaller one here. Okay, so I think I've done my best on this spread, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in and see what it looks like. I think it's pretty good. I mean, it's not my usual, but these are unusual times, so. So that is it for this week's food diary plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my shop and website at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.